Good afternoon guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to upload an audio file from ACADSOC to a classroom. So for this class I'm going to use a classroom. So I'm going just open the lesson material. So if you notice here, there is an audio recording here, so we're just gonna click here, open. Of course we're gonna open a classroom. Click go, and I will show you guys how to download it to a classroom when I'm conducting classes. So right here you click download,
Dear Ali,
and then click this three dots, then download, and then that's it. Okay, and then you can close this one. Alright, and then I will show you guys how I'm going to upload it to a classroom. Just a second. Okay, so I'm now going to enter the classroom now. So please keep watching, and then you will see how I'm going to upload the audio to inside a classroom. Here we go. Hello, good afternoon.
good afternoon.
How can you hear me? Ninang ting dawama.
Yes, I can hear you.
Very good. Can you see me? Nikuya kandawama.
Yes, I can see you.
Very good. So let me introduce myself. Welcome to ACADSOC. My name is Teacher Mark. Nice to meet you today.
Nice to meet you too, teacher.
Okay. What's your name? Nijao Shimamingse.
My name is Jerry.
Jerry. How old are you, Jerry? Nichiswe.
I'm 11 years old.
Very good. Alright, and before we start our lesson, we're gonna sing a nursery song. Okay?
Okay.
So our song for today is a song with, or an action song rather. Here we go.
Okay.